Hey everybody, it's time for Silly Songs with Adam, that part of the day when Adam sings a silly song. And I have with us our favorite bird friend, Petrie.
I'm here.
It's time to do Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star.
Oh, I love that one. Here I go.
Oh, do you want to sing it instead of me?
Oh, I would like to, please.
Okay, thank you for asking. You can sing.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high,
Oh, you can even fly. That's perfect.
like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Nice job singing, Petrie. I'm really proud of you, and thank you for teaching the kids a new song. All right, that's all we have for today. Bye.